Well, new here at 4 o'clock, a judge says a videotaped confession by the young man accused of carrying out a mass shooting during Highland Park's 4th of July parade can be used at trial.
WGN's Bronagh Tumulty has details on two rulings today that'll impact what jurors will hear during the trial.
Good evening. Court lasted less than an hour, but there was a double blow for the defence. Testimony they hoped would not be heard at trial was given the green light by a judge. Robert Cremo III entering court today, cuffed and carrying the Quran, as a judge signed off on a video confession he gave to police 2 years ago, hours after he allegedly shot and killed 7 people at the Highland Park parade, where a further 48 were wounded. Judge Victoria Rossetti denying a motion to suppress those comments. Cremo's defence team and family claimed he hadn't been made aware of a lawyer hired on his behalf, arguing his statements shouldn't be upheld. The judge, however, read transcripts of recorded conversations between the suspect and investigators, quoting Cremo saying, "I've heard them a million times," when asked at one point about his rights, concluding there was no evidence of coercion, deceit or intimidation by police.
Our office agrees with the court's factual findings and legal rulings that police and prosecutors honored the defendant's constitutional rights during the questioning on July 4th and July 5th, 2022.
The judge also ruling today a Highland Park Police Sergeant, Brian Soldano, who is the suspect's former school resource officer, will be allowed to testify against him in court due to his familiarity with Cremo over a 6-year period. It's understood he knew the accused shooter in both middle and high school and identified him in photos from the scene of the parade tragedy. The defence had claimed Soldano didn't know Cremo well enough to identify him.
Just a quick comment about what happened in court today.
Cremo's parents both present in court today but declined comment for our cameras. Their son has pleaded not guilty to all charges against him, which includes multiple counts of first-degree murder and attempted murder. His trial still on track to start early next year.
We remain on schedule for a trial in February. I believe the trial date is February 24th. We remain on schedule for that trial.
Now, there was one small win for the defence today, the judge granting Cremo phone privileges, meaning he will be allowed to call his family on Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. He is due back in court January 9th. We're at the Lake County Courthouse. Bronagh Tumulty, WGN News.